Tithe Pathway 1 funds outward and inward exchanges of learners, volunteers and staff. To apply for funding, you just need to follow these simple steps. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Funding is open to organisations in Wales across 6 sectors. International organisations outside of Wales can get involved by partnering with an eligible organisation in Wales. To find out more, get in touch with the organisation directly or email inquiries@tithe.wales. Step 2. Choose your activities. Head to the Apply section of our website to find out what activities you can get funding for and how much money could be available. Step 3. Fill in the online application form. Follow our step-by-step application guide to fill in the online application form. Use the grant calculation tool to calculate how much money you could receive for your activities. Step 4. Submit your application. Submit your application online by 12 midday on the 15th of March 2023. You'll then need to send your completed grant calculator and any eligibility documents to inquiries@tithe.wales by 12 midday on the 16th of March 2023. Our team of external assessors will consider each application thoroughly and will get back to you as soon as a decision has been made. The Tithe team is here to help you. If you need any support along the way, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Inquiries@tithe.wales.